Oh my god, it's Timothy Cha-omelet! I love this poster. Look, these guys are a new happy family, and this kid has a croissant. I like my coffee like I like my men. I don't like coffee. I'm crying. My little sister wrote my turtle a note. Oh my god, it says, I love you, Amber. You have been a part of my life for so long, and I just want to say thank you. And she's reading it.
Okay, this is my impersonation of an Austrian father, and he's making breakfast for his son, but everything he does is still way too sexy. Maxi Pat, come into kitchen. Daddy make egg for baby. You want scrambled?
Wow. You've outdone yourself.
It's good, isn't it?
It's so good, yeah. It's really good, yeah, of course.
Nina likes my drink.
I love it.
What did you make her? I made her. Open your eye. Think of something stupid. Okay, now think of me.
What's the difference?
It's day 9 of quarantine, and they're making a gender reveal cake.
Or we could just go like this.
Nobody's pregnant.
A big one like that. That's not that big. That's ginormous.
Oh, dude, no way. That is so badass.
Hey, Garcia. Do you think we should have gone to college instead?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But we're serving our country.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. No, that's not the way that rolls.
Here's the difference between how my girlfriend and I view money. I used coupons and got all of this stuff right here for $12. And what did you spend your $12 on?
I got 4 things of breadsticks.
What are you gonna do with all that bread?
I'm gonna eat it.
David is back. You had 2 tests?
I did that.
You got a 53 and a 60. You can cheat. It's online.
I did cheat.
And you still got a 53 and a 60.
Mikey!
The Clippers died.
So random.
Oh my god. Who fucking cut your hair, Scrappy Coco? So yeah, that's what happened when my friend Mikey shaved his head, and instantly I thought of this guy.
Quick question. I just got my heart broken. What do you recommend?
Tequila.
Did you know that if you mix borax and honey and put it out where you have an ant infestation, all of the ants will come?
You know, I may be colorblind, but at least I'm not a ginger. I have some bad...
So ordered these by accident. There's about 100 in there. And everyone's been saying I should do the watermelon challenge. But I'm thinking instead of a watermelon, I'm just going to use my head instead.
I am literally shaking. I think someone broke into my house. I heard the door open and I don't know where they are though.
Drew, if I open up this fridge, what am I gonna find?
You're gonna find wine slushies, because I brought wine slushies. There's slushies made of wine in here.
How successful people start their day. A successful person will eat something light, put a nice outfit on, have a cold shower. Okay, Max. Your new life starts now.
Yeah, I'd like to make a complaint about an article on your website. Yeah, from now on, if you make a list, you have to tell people the exact order things are supposed to happen in.
See this? Look at the butterfly.
That was stupid.
Words Korean people can't say with my appa. Number 1, peel and pill.
You know I speak English, right?
Things in my ghetto American home that just make sense. This part of the wall is actually hollowed out. This is where the previous owner would hide his drugs while the cops searched the house.
But the last we heard from him today, where he was taking questions, was in the Oval Office when he was trying to explain it.
The last dandelion.
I must need toys.
I've just discovered the most profound book. Everything Men Know About Women. Thank you.
You're coming into town? Oh my gosh, that sounds like so much fun. Yeah.
Sorry, what was that?
My name's Alice.
And I'm a bad bitch.
People always ask me, what's your sexuality? I am as straight as the edge of this grave.
If anyone would like a senior I'm not gonna give you away for real, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. No, we buy those trees.
Yo, I'm feeling like Floyd in this Mayweather. It takes so much effort to produce a smile these days.
Fuck it, here's my impression of Lois Griffin and Marge Simpson if they were cheating on their husbands with each other.
Marge, I realized I was never in love with Peter. It was always you. Oh, Lois, I love you too. I just don't know how leaving homie will affect the kids.
So, $50 if I can get you to say red.
Red.
What?
I meant to just say the word. Oh, forget it.
What the fuck is that?
What are you up to?
Not much. I'm just chilling. It's late. How about you?
Just in the hot tub.
I wish I could be there.
Oh, I'm sure.
Why are you saying it like that?
Look, I found this stick, this long stick.
Listen to this.
That's what my master used to do.
Whoa, she's hot. Are you guys gonna get a divorce?
Just so everyone knows, if you see me in a restaurant and I am eating a salad, I have been kidnapped and I am trying to signal you.
No, bro. And you know what I'm gonna do about it? Nothing.
Oh, fucking suicide jump.
And now I'm shook. Does she look like she's playing with
shaking
you?
in my boots. Those are sneakers. Oh.
I have a tall iced latte on the bar.
This is supposed to be hot.
Sorry.
Hi, I'd love a minute to talk to you about our prayer group down. Hey, honey, can you come here for a minute?
Yeah, what's up, babe? Hi.
Oh, we're gay friendly. Damn, that used.
Alright, guys, watch this.
Yo, I got a spoon with some worms and some turtle food in it. You want to see a turtle freak out?
Dude,
Just make your move, my
just
guy.
fucking hold her hand. She likes you.
Oh my god!
They're leaning.
Did you get that? Did you get that?
They're leaning.
Don't you want to become a cult leader? Since the death of God, there's been a vacancy open. You could fill that void. Here's how.
Making my bro some pizza rolls, cause I'm a provider, cause I'm a provider. Making my bro some pizza rolls, cause our mom is gone, cause she cheated on my dad, and then he kicked her out of the house, so now I have to make supper.
Hi, I'm Chloe from My Life in Quarantine, and you're watching Disney Channel. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, heck! Heck! Oh, God! Oh!
How does it taste? It's good. Thank you. Did you know I'm a chef?